MR is short for magic ring. This is the basic starting stitch of most amigurumi. There are two methods to creating the magic ring, the standard default method and an alternative that is easier for beginners. I have a video in my beginner crochet stitch tutorials playlist that goes over how to do the alternative. SC6 means 6 single crochet stitches. Putting this together, this means crochet 6 single crochet stitches into the magic ring. The number in the brackets at the end tell you how many stitches should be in that row or round. You should use it to keep track and make sure you've done the correct number of stitches. Here's a tip I didn't know when I first got started. The magic ring is just the name of the loop itself. Though many beginner patterns will tell you to do 6 single crochet stitches, you can have any number of stitches or different stitches entirely. For example, you might be told to crochet 3 single crochet stitches, or you may be told to crochet 6 half double crochet stitches.